Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the next part of chapter climate, that is, factors affecting India's climate. What are those factors which affect India's climate? In the last class, I have done that. The factors like latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, ocean currents, these are the factors which affect the climate of our country. So children, let us do these factors. So here you will understand the factors affecting climate of India and analyze the climate associated with our weather conditions. So let us see how factors affect the climate. Latitudinal extent of India, children, which you done in the first chapter. In the southern part, it has 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north. And the Tropic of Cancer passes through 23.5 degree north to the center. Thus, the area which is south of this is the tropical, and north of the Tropic of Cancer is subtropical zone. So, let us understand the location of India as per the heat zones. If we see that it completely falls in the torrid zone, you can see India falls completely under the torrid zone, and torrid zone receives very much heat, hence remains hot. Therefore, India experiences more or less warm climate, which is a mixture of tropical and subtropical characteristics. Now let's see the altitude of the Indian landmass influences its climatic conditions. The Himalayan range standing north of India has an average height of 6,000 meters. This range extends from northwest to northeast of India. These stops the winds from the Southeast Asia and the Siberian Asia, and it retains the warm winds which are coming from the south. That means they stop these winds. So the northern part of India is not very cold as the central part of Asia, and the places located in the higher altitude are cooler than the plain regions. This is because the atmosphere is thinner in the higher altitude. One very interesting feature of Indian climate is its pressure system. Both these atmospheric elements are governed by the upper air circulation and the western cyclonic depression. Now, how this phenomenon works? India is falling in the northeasterly wind belt. In the northern hemisphere, due to more land mass, northeasterly wind blows from land to the sea. So, these winds are dry. These dry prevailing winds are marked India into a dry desert. Otherwise, India would have been a desert. But India is a rain-fed country. It is because of the oceans present. Upper air circulation we are talking about are jet streams. Jet streams are the upper air circulation of air over 6 to 11 kilometers from the surface of the earth that blows with a speed of 110 kilometers in summers and 184 kilometers in winters. So it varies from 110 to 184 kilometers in the winters. Jet streams are blowing in the upper air circulation, and they affect the seasons by changing the low pressure and the high pressure systems and the temperature conditions. Over 27 degree to 30 minutes north latitudes, the subtropical westerly jet stream prevails. This is the region of northwesterly Himalayas where the winter months cyclonic disturbances emerge with the westerly flow from the Mediterranean Sea towards the northwestern part of India. This is a temperate cyclone from the west to east in the northern hemisphere. After hitting the Punjab plains of northwest India, the wind gets stopped and the moderate showers are there in the plains, and the snowfall is there in the hills of Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal. Similarly, during the October and November, the tropical easterly jet stream is dominant over the easterly coastal region, due to which the low pressure region develops over the sea, which moves towards the west. And during this time, the cyclonic rainfall appears on the coast of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Children, let us recap what we have done. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north latitude, is passing almost through the center of India. India experiences more or less warm climate, that is a mixture of tropical and subtropical characteristics. The Himalayan range blocks the chilled winds that coming from the Central Asia and Siberia in the north, as well as it retains the warm and moist winds coming from the south. The places located in the higher altitude are cooler than the places located in the plain regions. Northeasterly is a dry wind as it blows from land to the sea. Jet streams are the upper air circulation of air over 6 to 11 kilometers from the surface of the earth that blows with a speed of 110 kilometers in summer and 184 kilometers in winters. Western disturbances bring moderate rainfall in the northwestern part of India and snowfall in the mountain region during the winter months. The tropical cyclonic depression formed over the eastern coastal region of India due to the influence of tropical easterly jet stream. This brings cyclonic rainfall in the eastern coastal region of India during October and November. Children, I hope that you have I hope you have followed this part of the chapter, and children, go through all the points again and again, and we will definitely do this chapter again once the school reopens on the blackboard, children. Then only you will understand it more. So that's all, children, for today. Have a good day.